What up, YouTube? So check it out, y'all. My mom, she gave me this palm here, y'all. Fairly dried out. She had it there. She's like, you can take it if you want it. So I took it. And I'm gonna just try to separate it, y'all. I mean, it's a 3 palm, this one. Hopefully this one still comes out. I'm not too sure, but I know this 2 are still green. Unless it's just one is still green. This one is still green, y'all. But not too sure about these 2 here. They might just still come back out. But I want to try to separate it into 3 plants, y'all. So we're gonna try to do that today. So how we're gonna do that? I got this hacksaw, y'all. So I'm just gonna hacksaw my way in there. So I'll try to give y'all a view here. Just gonna go ahead and get this hacksaw, and I'm just gonna get in there. I'm just gonna hack my way in there, y'all. I'm gonna try to separate it here. These roots are real strong. You can see here, the blade is not even strong enough to cut them roots, you know. I just might need to get a different kind of blade. This thing's super dry, y'all. I believe the only one we had left was that one. These are dried out. So, yeah, those were dried out, y'all. Yep, the only one left alive is that one, so basically I don't even think we gotta worry about splitting it, but we do gotta clean up some of these roots. Yeah, those 2 were dry, they weren't about to do nothing. So what I'm gonna do, y'all, try to clean up right here some of these roots right here. That way it's not root bound. And I'll just save this one plant. A lot of roots, y'all. So I'm just gonna take out the roots too, so it won't be root bound. The rest of that plant is dry. It's not worth trying to fully split anyways. I could clean it up though, some of these weeds. And get some more of these roots off of here. Good layer of that roots off of there. I still wouldn't mind getting it out of here, because a lot of these roots are just from the other one, y'all. Let me see if I can do that without damaging the plant too much. Alright, here we go, y'all. big old chunk of these roots off of there. Big old chunk of them roots off of there. Basically, we'll plant it like this. Has its own roots in here, y'all. So all of these are basically this roots here. You can see a lot of this chunk here. Kind of untangle it and detach it a little. This is going to be a one healthy plant once we're done doing this. Once the plant realizes we're trying to help it, it'll adapt, you know. So now we're exposing its own root system here. And we cleaned it up a lot. So basically we'll just leave it like that, y'all. Without taking off any more of the roots. And you can see basically this is what I was trying to do to all three, but those two were dried up fully. They weren't coming back. But this one we'll definitely try to save. You can see here. I'll pick it up. So there's the root system here, y'all. You can see the root system. And look at all the cleanup I did here. So, like I said, these weren't coming back, y'all. They were dried. They were toast. But we got that one. And here in a bit, I'll try to get a bigger pot. I got a bigger pot right over here. And just already put it in a bigger pot. I'm gonna probably put it in this pot right here, y'all. Right now I don't have enough soil, so we might have to put it in a smaller pot for now, but it'll look something like that. It'll look pretty nice. So I definitely gotta get me some soil for that one, water it in so it won't dry out since the roots are exposed. And I'll see what I can do about scavenging up some soil. And I'll see y'all here in a bit, y'all. So those of y'all have been watching, there's my pineapple right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there. I'll come back once we get her potted up. And we'll have that one saved, y'all. I wasn't able to save this. I was trying to separate them and they were too dry. But alrighty, man. This one still has some green. And it'll feel more healthy once we water it in and stuff. Catch y'all here in a bit. Peace. Thanks for watching. Alright, what's up, YouTube? So it's been a while. I just finished cleaning up this palm here, y'all. As you can see, I mulched it in. Then I cut around the dead leaves and stuff. And we got some green, y'all. So just wanted to update y'all on this video. And yeah, this mulch will get to growing here. And once it grows a little more and stuff, I'll come up and update y'all again, possibly in the next few months. But we're able to save this one, and it's looking good, very healthy. These are basically all brand new leaves, and it's got its little home now. I didn't put it in the ground, I just went ahead and put it in a pot. And we'll see how it does, y'all. Those of y'all that watched my latest video, there's the pineapple cutting there, still there, y'all. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.